Hi, my name is Christina and I'm an exclusive distributor for Studio Figura in the United States. I'm passionate about health, wellness, and helping people feel confident in their own skin. Well, I love that Studio Figura isn't just a product, it's a complete concept. The brand promotes a healthy, confident lifestyle throughout unique, results-driven equipments and protocols. I also appreciate the support and professionalism from the global team. They truly care about the quality, consistency, and the brand integrity. Well, the Roll Shaper stood out because it's such an effective device. It offers visible results in a body shaping, lymphatic drainage, the overall wellness. It's easy for clients to use, feels great, and it fits perfectly into American trend towards non-invasive body contouring. The infrared light features also adds a big value to our customers, and I really truly believe that the infrared Roll Shaper is not only a fitness, it's also a wellness device.